Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create custom class in Laravel application. So let's get started with an example. So you can see over here I already downloaded fresh Laravel application and you can see that it's already open in my VS Code editor, and you can see it's running PHP artisan serve. Go to the browser, running the project perfectly fine. Now I will create a custom class. So what I will do, I will create date class and I will convert ymd to dmy and dmy to ymd. So every time when you store like date of birth or joining date or whatever date you are going to store into the database, then you need ymd, and when you fetch and display to the users, then maybe you required mdy or dmy. Okay, so let me go here and create the class using the artisan command. So I will say php artisan mac and I will say class. So mac colon class, so that means it will create new class. So we are going to create helper class, so I will say helpers. Maybe you need some more classes later, like url helper, api helper. So in this case date class, so you can create it. Okay, so you can see that it's created new helper folder, and inside that there is a date class. Later you can create whatever you require, like url class or api class. Okay, now let me go here and you can see that date class created. By default they created construct, but I will create like ymd to dmy I need. Okay, and save it. Okay, and I will keep public static function, so I don't require to create object and all. And then return, I will use the carbon. So using the carbon I will use purge method, and then I will pass the date because we are going to pass date argument over here. So I will say date, then I will use format function. Okay, and then I require dmy, that is the format. Okay, in this case save it. Okay, and now let me use this class, use this function. Okay, let me go here and go to the route web, and here just I am showing as example. So I will say date, and I'm going to pass 2025 days 01 days 15. Okay, and then I will say output, and I will use date class, that what we created over here, colon colon, because we created a static method. So ymd to dmy, paste it over here, and I will pass the date. Okay, and just I will display dd dollar output and save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh our home page, because I did in the /url. Refresh, it's nothing because we need to run it again, our project. So php artisan serve and refresh. You can see that 15/0125, so that means it's converted ymd to dmy. Okay, now I will create another function that's called its reverse. So copy and paste here, and then dmy to ymd. Okay, save it. So that means we need to store into the database. Okay, so let me go here, and here I will say ymd and save it. Okay, and this function I am going to use. Okay, so copy this, and then here I will say date, and then I will again date 2. Okay, and then I'm going to pass output 2 and date class colon colon. Okay, ymd to dmy, sorry, not that, dmy to ymd. Okay, and then I will say date 2 and save it. Okay, and now let me print it out, output 2 as well, save it. Okay, and I will change the date so that way we can recognize this is the change, save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh the page. Yeah, there is a fail, purge time, there is a problem, time string unexpected. So let me go here and what I the pass, save it. Okay, slash I have the past, so let me go here and I will change slash into dash, just save it. Okay, and refresh it, and you can see that now 2025, and you can like change with the slash and dash, you can work on it. But right now for the example I just want to show you how you can use the helper class in Laravel application. So I hope guys you understand how easily we can create the class using the artisan command. If you like this video, then share with your friends for the knowledge. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.